Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, ma. Yes, children, good morning. Yesterday, what did we learn? Which topic I have explained and what did you understand in that? Uh, yeah, Azmina, are you there? Azmina, where are you? Answer me, ma. Azmina. Yes, are you there, Azmina? Adrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell what did I teach yesterday? You are there yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what did you understand?
Primary memory and secondary memory and ROM and RAM.
Okay, what is primary memory? Would you please be
Primary,
louder?
primary memory, it is a uh, when we shut down the computer.
Yeah. Is the data will be there or it will be lost?
No, ma'am, temporary.
Yeah, okay, very good, right. Next, uh, Siri. Yeah, Siri,
Ma'am.
tell me something about primary memory. You are there yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me what is primary memory.
It holds data and instructions.
Okay. Is it temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Temporary. Okay, good. Yes, Lasya, tell me about secondary memory.
Memory is capable of storing information,
Okay,
particularly prematically. It is
permanently.
not directly accessed by CPU. Is as the data accessed from secondary memory is first loaded into RAM and then processed by CPU.
Okay, so is secondary memory permanent or temporary?
It is permanent.
Okay, right. Go to mute. Next. Uh, yeah, Vishruth. How many types of
Ma'am,
primary memory are there? What are the types of primary memory?
RAM and ROM.
Very good. What is RAM?
Huh?
What
What, ma'am?
is RAM? What is RAM?
Full form of RAM or definition?
Both.
Uh,
First tell me what is full form of the RAM?
Random access memory.
Right. So what does it do? Other than Lasya, who will answer? We should go to mute. Ashank, tell me, what is RAM?
Ma'am, RAM random access memory stores data in the computer temporarily.
Okay, temporarily. What happens to the data when the computer is shut down?
The data completely closes.
Yeah, it will be closed. I mean, lost. Right? Okay, good. Next, Manaswini, tell me about ROM. Manaswini, tell me about ROM. ROM, ROM, ROM. She's lost somewhere. Himesh. Himesh Chandra, answer me. What is ROM?
ROM is read-only memory.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
The data in this is not lost even if the computer is shut down. But we can not add any changes
Okay.
and we cannot write anything in it.
Right. Very good. Very good. So primary memory completed, right? Next, okay. Once again, see here, I'll. Once again, I'm sharing yesterday's. Right? Are you able to see this, everyone? Yes, Amma? Oh, no? You can't see the screen? Okay, done. Right, right. So what is computer memory? It is also like our human memory only, which is used to store information, right? It can be either temporarily or permanently. Then coming to memory, it is divided into two: primary memory and secondary memory, right? Coming to the primary memory again, it is again divided into RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory; ROM, read only memory. And secondary memory is divided into hard disk, pen drive, USB, CD, DVD, etc. They all come under secondary memory. So what is primary memory? Primary memory is also known as main memory of the computer. Clear? And it stores data temporarily till till the data is processed. The data will be available. Once the data is processed, the data is lost. Okay. And how many types of primary memories are there? RAM and ROM. What is RAM? Random access memory. What it will do? It is a temporary memory, right? And whatever the data or instructions that are entered or typed will be lost once the computer is shut down. Means the data remains only till the computer is on. So once the computer is shut down, whatever the data is there, it will erase each and every information stored, and it becomes blank. And read only memory, it is a permanent memory. We can store information permanently in ROM, but the only thing is we cannot add any changes or we cannot make modifications in case of ROM. It stores the information only permanently. Even if the computer is shut down, we can see the data. The data will be available in the ROM. Secondary memory, the secondary memory is one which stores the information or data permanently, right? But what is it means? In primary memory, the data will be directly processed by the CPU or accessed directly accessed or processed by CPU in case of primary memory. But whereas in the secondary memory, first the data is accessed or processed by the primary memory, then the data will be accessed in the secondary memory. Examples are, I told you, hard disk, pen drive, CD and DVD, etc. They all come under what? Secondary memory. Yes. Yes, Amma, tell me, did you clear till here, everyone? Secondary memory?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, Ashank,
Yes, ma'am.
what happened? Why did you raise the hand? Ashank, what happened?
Hello, ma'am.
And
Yes, Ashank,
where
tell me.
will this, ma'am? Where will be CPU of laptop, ma'am? Then
It will be inside only, ma. Inbuilt it is. We can't see it. I mean, if you open it, we can see. Like computer, we can't see the CPU in the laptop. But it will be there in the laptop
Hello, ma'am.
also. Without a CPU, no laptop or nothing is there, because that is the one which processes the data and which stores the information in it. Memory, right? So each and everything will have memory in it, but inbuilt it is. Like in computers, we can't see in the laptops. Clear? Now everybody done yesterday's homework, whatever I gave?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, everyone? Copied in your
Yes,
classworks?
ma'am.
Yes? Kirtana, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishali?
Then, ma'am.
And who is Srijan? Why are you raising hand? What happened? Any doubt?
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice. And what is page number, ma'am?
What page number you are asking me?
Course book.
Coursebook page number you want?
Ma'am.
Page number of what? Yeah, okay, Kirtana, done. Okay. Which page number you want, Amma? Yes? Now those who have, now till here it is clear, right? In the next, this is week 2. And in week 3, what you have is same computer memory only, but extension of the second week. That is nothing but types of ROM we are having and detailed information about the secondary memory. I told you secondary memory is, examples of secondary memory, hard disk, pen drive, all that, right? So in the next week, we have explanation, brief explanation about all these hard disk, pen drive, how they work, what they'll do, and types of ROMs, right? Now what we will do, first we will complete the classwork of this, coursebook of this, then we will go to the last topic. That I think that is your last topic for the theme. Right. So now take out all your classworks, everyone, from today's date. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
And the voice is breaking.
It will be. It might be a network problem, right? So now I am sharing whiteboard. Take out all your classworks. Write today's date and keep the heading.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. What happened, ma? Is it clear, everyone? Have you taken your classworks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now write today's date, everyone. Start writing the notes. Next period also I'm continuing because your English madam is not available, right? So this full I'll complete. Okay, Nana, everyone write now. What is the topic name?
Memory.
Computer memory. All can see the screen properly? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Computer memory. If you you have any doubts, you can just raise your hands. I'll clear your doubts. Okay, right. First one. What is a computer memory? I have muted everyone. Na? Why still noise is coming to me? So, computer memory is used to store information computer memory is used to store information. The data or can be the data can be either the data can be either stored temporarily or permanently. Right. Second question, how many types of memory are there? Yeah, there are two types of memory. Primary memory secondary memory. This to write fast, everyone. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, ma writing? Are you all writing?
up, ma'am.
I am not erasing.
Ma'am,
Please.
completed, ma'am. No, ma'am.
What is this chatting I am seeing here? Why you are chatting in, when the class is going on? Huh?
Yesterday, social ma'am
Manaswini?
also told, ma'am.
Manaswini, Santoshi, Manonit,
Ma'am, yesterday, social
Sushila Rao.
ma'am told the who chatted in class, they will go to, sorry, ma'am will call to their parents, it seems.
Yeah, I will call direct, definitely. I'll tell to your class teacher. And Adrika, you have any doubts? I said, ask me. Don't chat among yourselves when the class is going on. Is it clear, everyone? If you have any doubts, raise your hands. I'll be getting notification and then I'll just clear your doubts. Where to write, what to write, how to write. Now write fast. Why you are leaving the meeting and coming
Ma'am,
late again,
finish.
Manaswini? I will not admit you in the middle of the class. So don't leave and go. Ashank, any doubt? What happened?
I'm over, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay, raise your hands if it's completed. Means when I am writing, I can't see you, right? So you can just raise your hands.
Ma'am, second question. Ma'am, don't. You can read first question.
No, I'll rub full screen. So write fast. Okay, those who have completed, quiet, and those who have not, write fast. Manonit, I am warning
Ma'am,
you. Where is this idiot, Manonit? Manonit? Manonit, why are you chatting? I said not to chat, na? If I see anybody chatting, I'll just remove you from the meeting. Is it clear, Manonit?
ma'am, finish, ma'am. Wrap.
Full screen I can clear.
Wait for other series. They are writing now.
Ma'am, we should write.
Then what you are doing till now? Who is that asking me we should write?
Ma'am, ma'am, send in MCB, ma'am. They will copy.
Then what you'll do in the class? You'll chat with others. I'm not going to send any classworks in MCB. I'll send only homeworks in MCB. Completed all? Shall I clear the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I am clearing the screen. Third one. What is primary memory? Primary memory is the main memory it is also called internal memory of the compute. Internal memory it holds the data or instruction temporarily as long as the computer is on. The data is directly accessed by the CPU. Example, RAM and ROM. Yes, Region, what is your doubt?
Ma'am,
Finished? Third one.
yes, ma'am, third one.
Okay. Yeah, like raise your hands if you have finished this so that I can clear the screen. Okay, those who have completed quite. Remaining all right fast. So primary memory is the main memory. It is also called internal memory. It holds the data or instructions temporarily as long as the computer is on and the data is directly accessed by the CPU. Examples of primary memory are RAM and ROM. Completed? Yes, done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Shall I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. What is secondary memory? Fourth one. What is secondary memory? The memory is stored permanently it is not directly accessed by the CPU. The data is first loaded into RAM, then the data is accessed in secondary memory. Example. Hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD. Yes, Srijan, tell me what happened. Srijan? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll continue. I mean, if the meeting ends, I'll again rejoin, ma, because 2 periods we are having. Okay? If this period will end, I'll come back again. Don't worry. Okay? So what is secondary memory? The memory is stored permanently. It is not directly accessed by the CPU. The data is first loaded into RAM, then the data is accessed in secondary memory. Examples of secondary memory are hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD. So with this, the notes is completed. We'll go to the course book of week 2. Yes, this Sunday you'll be having GAT on computers. Okay. Yes, children, this Sunday you'll be having GAT on ICT also. The topics, first topic, right? Evolution of, evolution of computers. Okay.
Okay.
For 10 marks, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Prepare well.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What is the topic for GAT?
Evolution of Earth. Chiki.
Not
Evolution of computer.
Yes. Evolution of computers. Read well. Okay.
Ma'am, if we should read the lesson, ma'am.
Yeah. Whatever I gave read objectives only, na, so you can go through the course book only, everything.
Okay.
Okay. Have you completed this one, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, I'm ending this, and
No,
next
ma'am.
meeting I will not completed. Completed or not?
Completed, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Somebody is saying no.
Ma'am.
Nanda teacher, I think so.
Yes,